Hello everyone and welcome to another little update video. It's been quite a while since I've done one like this, and I just saw that I did some back in the days, and I thought it'd be a nice idea to make another one and to just tell you where I am right now and what's happening, in case you aren't really up to date with things. Which might be because I sort of switched where I'm active a little. So let's just start with the more exciting stuff. So I think some of you guys may remember my own music label, which I talked about, I think last year or even the year prior to that, 2018 or something like that. Try Records, which is still up. We are currently releasing new stuff. Sort of regularly. We just recently released a full-on compilation album from, I hope I don't get that right, I don't get that wrong, 12 different artists, I think, maybe 13, I'm not entirely sure anymore. Also my own album, The Void Part 3, which I was wanting to do for the last 2 years as well. So it's very exciting for me that that's out. I also have a track on the compilation album, check that out. Also there's lots of dope other stuff which you need to hear for sure. And then we also have a single coming up actually very soon, still this month, and probably an album next month. Both releases from two artists which were already on the Loudar compilation, which I will also link below. Everything I talk about. Then we get to the next point, which is my software development. I've been investing a lot more time into that over the course of like the past year roughly, and I've been working on my AI. I think I have briefly talked about that. I wanna make an AI that is universal and not just machine learning and targeted to some very specific thing. I want to make an AI that is generally capable of processing information, no matter of what the information is, and give a proper response or act accordingly. Let's say you only have text input, then it obviously should only be able to output text as well. But let's suppose you have also video input, then it might be able to do more and interpret more as well, because you add more senses to it as you go, which will be exciting. It will be a lot of work, but it will also be exciting. I'm currently finishing up part of that, which is DataNet. It's sort of the database program I use to access the data lying sort of below the AI, if you want to say it like that. And it's free. It's out. It's on Gumroad. Current version works. If you encounter any bugs, please let me know. I'm always open to fix those. I will also be publishing the code on GitHub, but I will save that for another announcement. As soon as that is finished, I will be working on Noah, which is sort of more focused on grammar rather than information and processing language. And it will also be hopefully capable of creating entire new languages, so a conlang basically. Yeah, and then we'll get to the exciting part, or the most exciting part, let's call it that, which is Targon. And Targon is the actual AI, which will incorporate elements from both DataNet and Noah, obviously, to work seamlessly. But Noah and DataNet will be available separately. I can actually attach a little graphic in the description to illustrate sort of how that would work together, just so you can understand if you want to know more about it. I also have linked all of these on my portfolio, which I'm now updating regularly. I'm putting some graphic stuff up there as well, and also some texts I write and stuff like that. And really just anything I do that is sort of exciting and new in a way. I did some photography lately, which is up there as well. You can check that out. And yeah, besides that, in a more personal way, I would say, we have or I have at least almost finished my year at a magazine. And after that, I will be studying at a university. Hopefully, I mean it's not set yet, but very likely to happen. And I'm honestly very excited for it because it's a huge step, and yeah, maybe I'll get to know a lot of new and interesting people. Who knows? And learn a bunch of stuff, obviously. That was about it. Short and sweet as usual, and I will hopefully talk to you soon, or at least publish a new video soon, I guess. I got albums worth of music laying around and waiting to be finished and published, but there will be a time for that, and keep your eyes peeled, especially for the label, because there will be the most stuff happening for this year at least. See you guys around. Bye.